So, hello, my dear friends. Again, Electric Uncle. Engineer R.S. Sharma is with you. Namaskar. So, just I want to introduce my free education platform, Multitech Education for You. This is a free education platform, and especially the students below poverty line. We used to provide them material also. So this is just starting. Whatever I have my experience, I am just distributing it among the students, needy students. So please cooperate and watch full movie, full video, as well as subscribe, like, and let us go to our main subject. So my dear friends, now what I have done, I have just sticked these strips, LED strip, on a black paper, so that in the night when it will glow, that black paper will not be visible. So it has got a very nice double-sided tape. I remove it and stick it. It is very perfect tape below the LED strip. So my dear friend, now I have taken 7 ICs maximum in this branch, as well as there, and here 25 ICs, means 75 LEDs on the stem, and the maximum 7 ICs on the branch. Others are below that. So now we will move towards connections. Now these 25 ICs means 75 LEDs connected in parallel with other branches. Now you see, you might have seen, don't get confused. There is a connector. It has got 3 wires, one positive, one negative, for 12 volt. This is WS2811, and these 2 wires are in parallel, positive and negative, because the LEDs can be supplied independently 12 volt, and from the connector we will bring 2 wires only, one green, one white, green for signal, white for ground. It will go to Arduino Uno. Signal will go to pin number 6, ground will go to pin number, to ground itself. So this is the connection for it. Now in Arduino, I have kept this connector. When we will remove from the computer, we can connect it to the jack. The 12 volt supply direct we can give to the jack. Afterwards, this 12 volt will be converted to 5 volt inside the Arduino Uno itself. And 12 volt I will give direct to strips. So separately I have done it so. 12 volt for strip and 12 volt for Arduino when we will remove it from the computer. But when we are programming with the computer, we need not to provide this jack. We will use USB cable, and the Arduino will get 5 volt direct from the computer at the time of programming. I have shown the circuit in starting. I have given 2 diagrams while programming it and after programming it when we will remove it. So this I will connect to computer will give 5 volt and program it, and this jack will be afterwards when we will remove it from there, because from the jack 12 volt go inside and it will be converted to 5 volt. In Arduino itself there is a circuit for that. Never put this 12 volt anywhere else on the pins or any except jack. This care you have to take in. Now I have connected Arduino Uno to my computer. 5 volt it is getting, and jack, when I will remove it from the Arduino computer, then I will put it. 12 volt is going direct to the LED, to the red and white wire. Now the green wire and the white wire from the connector, we will take it to the Arduino Uno. Signal will go to pin number 6 and ground to ground in Arduino Uno. And speaker connections also we have to make it so. So speakers positive wire will go to 5 and 1 to ground. Now you see, now I have given the light. These 3 LEDs seems to be damaged. I made a mistake. I put wrong wires. Red wire to negative, white to positive. And afterwards what happened? The 3 LEDs got damaged, and that too connections were in parallel. 3 LEDs in starting of every branch got damaged. Then I got it changed and make the connections again. So you have to take care for the positive negative polarity. Never make mistake like me. Always connect positive to red, negative to white, and all these will go in parallel. So after changing all the three LEDs of each branch and this stem, I have to make the work again. So this care you have to take care while making connections. Soldering I told you in the last part. So now we will proceed for the programming of our this fireless cracker tree with sound from the Arduino Uno. Arduino IDE code we will use for it, and that program and code, no need, I will show you. Of course, if you want to buy the program, I have mentioned the site name from where I also bought it. So Hard Hat Electronics, you can buy it from there, and they used to provide also programmed Arduino Uno. No need for computer, just direct connect it to your these LED lights. After making all these things, just give connections as I have shown you, and I will show you after removing Arduino Uno. So I have kept this battery to test these things. So when I change these 3 LEDs of each branch, again make connections, then what I did, I checked each and every strip with this battery, giving positive negative supply direct to these strips one by one. So as I add another one, they all start glowing. All these 3 LEDs were okay. So you will see I will give supply here, all LEDs will glow. Yeah, you see I have changed these 3 LEDs. You can see the soldering work also. I just changed with other good one for on. So it become very laborious to me to do it again and again. So don't make such mistake, for God's sake, which I made. Wires color coding you have to take care. For positive use red, for negative use white, and put it at the positive end. I just reversed it. Put red wire to the negative, negative to the white wire to the positive. So had a big headache for it. Here anyhow, now it is okay. I changed all, and we will proceed now for our programming. And this is the speaker I will use, and after programming you will see the effect, so nice. and that also you can also proceed for that. So while making programming, we have to take care. So now let us make connections to Arduino. 12 volt we are giving direct to the strip LEDs, and this 5 volt is speaker is also 5 volt, so it will take 5 volt from the Arduino Uno, and the signal it used to take 4 volt, so there is available when we will connect on pin number 5 and 6. 5 speaker, 6 our signal green wire, and other two will be to ground of the Arduino Uno. Those points are of output. You see now I give all the lights are glowing. Before there were below 3 lights of all the branch stem not glowing. After changing I give direct 12 volt now. So just to check it, so it's okay. Now we can start with the proper programming also. And if you want to test these, you can connect it to the Arduino pin number 3, put fast LED, demo reel 100 example, and you can check it also. Now we will proceed towards the connection. We will go to our computer, open Arduino IDE software, and we'll start doing these things one by one, and programming coding we'll do. And this program you need not to do, you can buy it already programmed Arduino Uno. The link I am giving in the description. From there also I also bought from there, but I bought program also. I paid more for coding so that I can play with that. And if you are not well versed with this programming coding, you just buy complete Arduino Uno duly programmed. So now you see I have connected all the wires: speaker wire, LED signal wire, ground wire, 5 volt. It is coming from the strip, 2 wires from the speaker, and just now I will connect it with speaker. This speaker I used 5 volt speaker, very small. You will see the effect of the sound in the last. And now we will go to Arduino Uno. I have this code already. I will open it. Arduino IDE. I told in one of my videos how to download this software. You can see in my programming coding series. So it's okay. Now it is opened. Now we will change. I have already put the number 96 LEDs, 75 plus 21 LEDs of the branch, but I will put here total IC numbers, means 25 plus 7 ICs, 32 I will write in front of NeoPixel, where I have written 96. Of course it works with 96 LEDs also if you will write, but better to write IC. And my dear friends, always remember, don't put below 25 ICs in the stem, otherwise fire effect you will not get so proper. Minimum 25 IC means 75 LEDs you have to put in this strip WS2811. You see speaker wire is connected to 5. In the code also it is 5, piezo 5. Now we have to check board is connected, COM is okay. This is very important thing. First check it and now compile it just to confirm whether our program is okay. If it compiled nicely, now it has started compiling, so means our board is okay, connections are okay. Now we will upload it from here, and within few minutes it will be programmed Arduino Uno, and the signal will go to strip 12 volt. It is getting direct and when you will start hear the sound of the speaker, means it has been done. The program is successful as soon as you will hear the sound of the from the speaker. So you see, our program is successful. Just now I will save it and close it. So now see the effects and say goodbye. We will meet in next part.